There are a few ways in which you can add posts to your SocialBee categories. You can import them through different means like RSS feeds or Pocket, or you can create them from scratch. Today, we'll focus on adding posts directly into SocialBee. Whenever you want to add a new post, you can do so from our advanced post editor, which allows you to customize your posts completely. To add a new post, either click on the Add New Post button at the top of your screen on any SocialBee screen you're on, or directly from inside of your category, you can click on Add Post to this category. Each of these methods will open up the post editor and you will be able to create your post. First, select the profiles you want to share your content on. Then select the category if it's not selected already. Now you can add your text and a link that will generate a link preview, or add a media file that will catch the eye of your audience. When creating your post, you'll also be able to add emoji from our emoji keyboard, or use previously saved hashtag collections in your post. You'll also be able to see the character limit for each social profile, or the lowest character limit for the selected profiles. Each social platform has its own requirements. This is why you can customize your post for each profile so that you're able to share a shorter post for Twitter, a longer one for Facebook, a more professional tone for LinkedIn, or be able to replace your link with an image and add hashtags for Instagram. To customize your post for each profile, click on the Customize for each profile button at the bottom of your post. This will allow you to make the required adjustments so that your post is perfect for each platform, whether you need to shorten the text, add hashtags, or change the media file. Another useful feature here is the ability to add variations to your post. This will help you keep your evergreen content looking fresh, as each time you need to share a post again, we pick the next variation in line. To add variations, click on the Add Variation button at the bottom of your post. Then, rewrite your post or change the media files as you want. You can add as many variations as you want to make sure that your post gets reshared without feeling repetitive to your audience. You will be able to see a preview on the right side of your screen at any time so that you have an idea of what your post will look like once published to each platform. You can switch between variations from the top. You can choose to add your post as approved or not approved if it's still a draft, or if it needs to be reviewed by someone else on your team. Do this from the toggle under your post. You also have the ability to choose when you want to publish your post. Add it to the top or bottom of your queue to share it whenever the category is scheduled. Share it now and then add it to the bottom of your queue, or publish it at a specific time. You can also add multiple specific times to publish your post. You can also expire your post to make sure it won't get shared more than it's needed. Set it to expire either at a specific time, for instance, when you're running a promotion throughout the month and you want to make sure it does not exceed that month, or expire it after it's been published a number of times to make sure that it won't repeat more than necessary. Once you're happy with your post, click on the Add Post button to include it in your selected category. In your category, you'll be able to see a list of all of your posts from that category. If your post has multiple variations, you will see all of them here. And if your post is customized for each profile, you'll see a yellow ring around the view that you're currently seeing, so that you can switch between views whenever needed. You also have information on when it's scheduled, if it's scheduled on a specific time, when it expires if that option is active. You can also share it immediately, edit it, duplicate it if you want to keep it as a template, or switch it around. And you can also add comments with your team if you're on a pro account. If you want to delete a post from your category, just click on the trash can icon at the top right corner of your post. Now all that's left is for you to schedule your posts or your categories to make sure that your content is getting published to your profiles. If you're experiencing issues with adding posts or any other SocialBee feature, please make sure to email us at hello@socialbee.io.